Hi everyone, I'm Nikki Boxler and we are here at the Buffalo Rochester RV Show at the Batavia Downs Gaming and Hotel. So there are 25 RVs here that are under $250 per month. So let's go check some out. This KZ Sportsman Se travel trailer is brand new. This 50th anniversary package bolsters a robust climate package, a modern farmhouse interior, the benefits of an RV airflow system, and a solar roof prep. The large dinette provides more seating and sleep space, while the super comfortable couch lays flat for additional sleeping area, so there's plenty of room for the entire family. The residential stylings and at-home amenities make cooking in this kitchen a breeze, and you'll sleep like a baby on the spacious and cozy queen bed. Look no further than the Sportsman Se if you're seeking an affordable RV with all the amenities of home. Deals like this don't pop up often. If you want to go camping but don't want to rough it, you should check out the Rockwood High Wall series. This 2021 was designed for the camping family who wants the refinement of larger vacationing units in a lightweight camper that is easy to tow and easy to maneuver. Ample counter space, upgraded appliances, and tasteful interiors make this camper a gorgeous option to experience. And if you're looking for something even bigger like a fifth wheel, we've got that too for under $250 a month. The 2017 Flagstaff from Forest River is equipped with tough fiberglass construction and has 3 spacious slides. Inside, the bi-level floor plan provides a super spacious feel in the living and dining area, and the nearby residential-styled kitchen keeps you close to the action while cooking dinner. Retire to your master bedroom at the end of the night for a restful night's sleep. Check out these awesome affordable RVs and all 25 of the RVs available for under $250 a month at the Buffalo Rochester RV Show, powered by Colton RV.